In this video, we will show you how to set up a Wi-Fi connection on your new Garmin fēnix E multi-sport watch. With a Wi-Fi connection set up, you can upload your data without being connected to your compatible mobile device, load music from compatible third-party music providers, and install compatible mapping. There are a few methods for setting up a Wi-Fi connection. In this video, we will show you how from your watch and through the Garmin Connect app. To complete either of these processes, you will need to already have your watch connected with the Garmin Connect app. See our Getting Started video to pair your watch with the Garmin Connect app. You will need to be within range of your Wi-Fi router for both processes. First, we will show you how to set up a Wi-Fi connection from the watch. From the watch face, press and hold the up button to open the menu. Scroll down and select Watch Settings. Then scroll down and select Connectivity, followed by Wi-Fi. Then scroll down and select My Networks, followed by Search for Networks. You will see a list of available Wi-Fi networks in your area. Select the one you would like to add. If prompted, enter the password. You may even use the Garmin Connect app as the keyboard to speed up the entry. Then select the check mark. You have now completed setting up Wi-Fi through your watch. Next, we will show you how to set up Wi-Fi through the Garmin Connect app. During this process, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but the process is the same for Android devices. Start by opening the Garmin Connect app. Tap More in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and select Garmin Devices. Select the device you want to manage the Wi-Fi settings for. Then select Connectivity, followed by Wi-Fi. Now select My Networks. Here you will see all of your added Wi-Fi networks. Tap Add a Network to begin adding a new network. You will see a list of available Wi-Fi networks in your area. Tap the one you would like to add. If prompted, enter the password, then tap Add. Now tap Connect. And that's it. Your Garmin fēnix E Wi-Fi connection is now set up. To learn more about your fēnix E multi-sport watch, please see our other videos in this series or visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.